Did you know South Africa made a muscle car? Meet the Ford Capri Perana V8. In the early 1970s, Basil Green Motors took a lightweight Ford Capri and dropped in a 5.0-liter Ford Windsor V8. The result? Over 280 horsepower in a compact coupe. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 6 seconds. Insane for its time. It was built to dominate local motorsport, and it did exactly that. Only a few hundred were ever made. This wasn't just a tuned Capri. It was South Africa's own V8 monster.